5 Amazing health benefits of eating peanut butter. Peanut butter is full of nutrients that are useful for your health. It is made out of dried and roasted peanuts and is regularly included in a group of healthy foods. 1 Reduces the risk of premature death. They contain polyunsaturated fats rich in antioxidants that are beneficial to cardiovascular health. These compounds can also reduce high blood pressure and normalize it. 2 Improves muscle and nerve health. It is rich in magnesium, therefore it can help you in maintaining a healthy nervous system, strong bones and teeth, normal body temperature, and high energy levels. Besides, peanut butter can also improve your serotonin levels, which will lead to better sleep. 3 Normalizes stress levels. Peanut butter contains beta-sitosterol that may help lower cortisol levels, the hormone released when you are under stress. Its high levels of healthy saturated fat, those are also beneficial for enhancing the immune system. 4 Boosts energy levels. Peanut butter contains proteins and fibers that are not only an amazing energy source, but they also can help in balancing your blood sugar levels. 5 Improves brain health. Peanut butter is rich in vitamin E, zinc, magnesium, and niacin. They can improve your memory and cognitive abilities, which is excellent for older people.